headache, cough, prescription, painkiller. Do you know what to say at a pharmacy in English? Today we learn exactly how to get the help you need. Let's go. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. Visiting a pharmacy in an English-speaking country can feel scary, but with the right vocabulary, it is easy. Let's start with symptoms. Section 1. Describing symptoms. A symptom is something your body feels when you are unwell. I have a headache. Pain in your head. I have a sore throat. Pain when you swallow. I have a cough. You keep coughing. I have a cold, runny nose, tiredness. I have a fever, high body temperature. I feel dizzy. The room seems to spin. I feel nauseous. You feel like you might be sick. I have a rash. Red marks on your skin. I'm in pain. General pain. Practice. Which symptoms have you had this year? Say them in English. Section 2. Pharmacy vocabulary. A prescription. A doctor's note for medicine. Over-the-counter. Medicine you can buy without a prescription. A painkiller. Reduces pain. Ibuprofen. Paracetamol. Antihistamine. For allergies or hay fever. Cough syrup. Liquid medicine for coughing. A plaster, small bandage for a cut. Sunscreen protects skin from the sun. Vitamins, supplements for health. Dosage, how much medicine to take. Side effects, unwanted effects of medicine. Section 3. Useful phrases at the pharmacy. Can I have something for? Very useful. I need something for a headache. Do I need a prescription for this? How often should I take this? Are there any side effects? Is this safe to take with other medicine? Could you recommend something? The pharmacist is a trained professional. They will help you. Ask confidently. Recap. Symptoms: headache, sore throat, cough, fever, dizzy. Pharmacy, prescription, over-the-counter, painkiller, dosage. Phrases: can I have something for? How often should I take this? Your challenge: describe one symptom in English in the comments and say what medicine you would ask for. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.